This video explains how to buy shares of BLNK Charging Co., a company that builds and operates electric vehicle charging stations and related software services. BLNK trades on NASDAQ under the ticker BLNK. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and then add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BLNK to find the correct listing. Confirm the result shows BLNK Charging Co. to ensure you select the right stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that shows recent price action. Double-check the company name, exchange NASDAQ, and the BLNK ticker to confirm it is the correct stock. Tap the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be pending or scheduled, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. After the order executes, your BLNK position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description below.